What's good, fam? Welcome back to Car Rev 3. Today, we aren't just looking at a hot hatch, we are looking at the king of the streets. Stop playing. This right here is the 2026 Volkswagen Golf R, but it ain't your average grocery getter. This is the new Graphite Gray spec, and let me tell you, this color hits different in the sun.
Look at that face. It's wide, aggressive, and screams performance. You got that signature LED light bar running straight through the VW logo, connecting those sharp IQ Light matrix headlights. And right there on the side, that R badge lets everyone know you didn't buy the GTI, you bought the boss.
Move to the side and check the shoes. We rocking the 19-inch black Estoril wheels. They are gloss black and frame those massive blue R-branded brake calipers perfectly. It sits low, looks mean, and screams, "Get out of my lane."
Not really. The oceans that surround us are very deep, so the temperature at the bottom can be very cold, ranging from only 5 to 10 degrees Celsius.
Now spin it to the back because the rear view is what most people are gonna see. Up top, you got a massive two-piece roof spoiler for that extra downforce. The LED taillights have the sick 3D dynamic turn signal that looks futuristic, but look lower. That gloss black diffuser is housing the crown jewel, the quad-tip titanium Akrapovič exhaust system. It's huge, it's real titanium, and it means business.
Under the hood, we got the legendary EA88 engine pushing 328 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. We talking 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. That's quicker than most muscle cars trying to race you at the red light. With 4Motion all-wheel drive, this thing grips the road like it's on rails. Rain, snow, dry pavement, you stomp the gas and you are gone. But let's hop inside. This is the Euro-style package, so no sunroof. We saving weight, baby. The driver's seat is that blue and black art velours with the old-school checkered vibe. It's manual adjust to keep it raw and light. But what about the homies in the back? Open that rear door. The same premium art velours material carries over. You got blue stitching, dedicated climate controls, and honestly, the legroom is legit. You can actually fit full-size adults back here without crushing their knees. It's practical. Speaking of practical, pop the hatch. This boot space is undefeated. You got plenty of room for groceries, camera gear, or if you fold those rear seats down, you can easily fit a full set of track tires. It's a daily driver that transforms into a track weapon. Back in the cockpit, the 12.9-inch screen is crisp, and the R button on the wheel is your magic switch. Press it to unlock drift mode or Nürburgring mode. And that Akrapovič exhaust, when you let off the throttle, it pops and bangs like a machine gun. It's a $4,000 option, but for that sound, worth every penny. So, is the 2026 Golf R worth the $56,000 price tag? You're getting a car that gaps sports cars, fits the squad comfortably, carries your luggage, and sounds like a rally car. It's the ultimate sleeper.
If you felt this vibe, smash that like button and sub to Car Rev 3 for more heat. Catch you on the next one. Peace.